Well, if everybody remembers our shitty old John Deere adventure, when we dug it out from the forest way back yonder, our buyers came to pick it up.
Who would buy that piece of shit?
Well, more like a donation.
Well, yeah, John Deere 210, a very rare machine. Probably in 1977, like mine.
Well, it cost me $10 for scrap, but whatever. If you can enjoy that. Get some parts out of her.
Very well made.
A farm donation.
Thank you.
As for me, I got some welding to do. So, Dave came and picked up the John Deere tractor that I got for him, and he's gone and on his way now, so just wanted to show you the last little bit of touch-up I'm doing to the plow. So, as you know, we got our foot pedal right here, which you just simply to drop her down. And I just added these two pieces of steel, and I painted them already. And I'll show you what the reason for those is. When you're plowing, say we want to push all the snow to the left, well, all that snow is pushing on this end of the plow, and we're only relying on this little 1/2-inch bar to hold it, and we don't want to bend it. It is reinforced up top where the notches are cut, but who knows how long that would last there. So that's the purpose for these, is there's just a little bit of slack still, but you can see I can move the plow, and it's not putting any stress at all on that pole. It just rests right there. And then the right side one isn't as big because we got the spring mechanism in the way, but it works exactly the same. The lock mechanism works pretty good. There we go. And same deal. Nice clearance. Won't go any further. And just enough room for the wheel to turn here without interfered at all. Sweet. Now she's complete. So now I just got to get this beast home. And that's how she works. Alrighty guys, well as you know, I finished my my plow and everything now finally. And I was just bored, so I was kind of dinking around, got the welder out and added this. My exhaust used to come to just right here. Now it goes BAM! Side piped. Added a nice bracket there for strength. And it's not very loud. Still goes through that big honking muffler, which actually I gotta put the heat shield back on. Sweet. Now I'm going to put the heat shield back on and go home.